So it's National Apprenticeship Week, or it was last week anyway. We employ 1 or 2 apprentices at any given time here because it's quite a big training program to learn what we do. So I'm going to go and have a word with Sam, one of our lads, and just see what he's up to. Sam, what are you up to?
I'm just walling my job up to keep it warm overnight so we can get straight on it in the morning.
Ah, right. How long have you been with us, Sam?
A year and 3 months.
You learnt it all now?
Yeah. It's all pretty straightforward when you get used to it.
Yeah. Well, how do you get on with the... because you can't go to college at the moment, I suppose.
No.
How are you getting on with that? What are you doing?
That's all online. So,
What, in the evenings or...?
no, it's during work time. It's every six weeks. I'm at work for a week.
Yeah?
I'm at college for a week, just online.
Right, okay. And then, so when you've heated this up, what will you be doing to it?
We'll be welding it in the morning. It's got to get to a certain temperature of 600 degrees, so it's alright to weld in the morning.
So what's going on with this job then?
He's got yellow markings on them because there's in the pockets there's corrosion and some are oversized than what they should be.
So you're going to will you be welding this one, do you think? Or
Probably not. I'll probably be the one grinding it up,
right?
prepping it, getting it all bricked in, all plugged in.
Yeah.
And then someone else will probably be welding it.
Okay. So how long will it be before you're let loose on one of these, do you think?
Not long now, hopefully.
Alrighty. Hey, well, good luck, Sam.
Thank you.
Catch you later.
Cheers,
Bye
thank
now.
you.